What's the meaning of borewell? Borewell. Borewell.
Borewell. Borewell. A borewell is a type of well that is drilled into the ground to access groundwater. It is often used in areas where traditional wells are not feasible due to geological reasons, such as hard rock or shallow water tables. A borewell works by drilling a narrow hole into the ground to reach the aquifer layer below. A pump is then used to draw water up from the well to the surface for various uses such as irrigation, drinking, and domestic purposes. Bore wells have become an important source of water in many regions around the world where other sources are scarce or insufficient.